6 minutes to get to Montvale. Not an hour and an hour and a half. Watch.
Hey, greetings. Welcome to Chase Life. This is Chase, and this is day 19. Yeah, 19. We're hiking from Montvale Overlook down to the town of Daleville. Hopefully I can make it all the way. Should be about 16 miles. And I'm feeling a little sore, but all right. We got started about 7:30 this morning, and the temps are 73 degrees. Supposed to be a warm day today, so we'll just have to deal. Yeah, if I can make it into town. I mean, if I can't make it into town, I have, I'll just stop somewhere and tent somewhere. But if I can make it into town, I'm trying to make it to a hotel. I thought about going to another hostel, but the hotel's really tempting. There's one that's right next to a Japanese restaurant, which sounds also pretty good. So we'll see. Oh, I'm happy to report also that even though my pack feels heavy with a 3-day food supply, I really only need 2, but I'm carrying an extra just in case. I don't know if, again, I might stop. So with a 3-day food supply and a little over a liter of water, I'm still under 20 pounds. Again, it doesn't feel light wearing it, especially if you got used to slack packing, but yeah, it's not bad, right? So, cool. Yeah, so I've been hiking, I think about 10 hours. It's been one of those days. You had days where you're just like, all right, you had a great time, you saw a bunch of cool stuff, you did something neat, Well, today's not one of those days. It's been hot, it's been a slog. I've just been hiking up and down hills, and I don't know how many miles I've done. It's been a good number. And the only thing interesting right now is that we have a thunderstorm rolling in. It may or may not rain on me, but how hot it's been, I wouldn't mind actually. We're coming nearer the end though. I think I've only got like 3 miles to go till I hit Daleville. We're going to be going through a meadow, and there's a place where the Appalachian Trail just cuts through private land, so we'll have a small trail to follow. And there's actually a sign saying, please don't get off the trail, this is not our land. So yeah, that's where we're at. Well, we're now climbing up this. I don't know if you can capture how steep it is, but it's pretty steep. It's like a 45-degree angle we're walking up, and it's pretty long. So we've been walking up it for a while. So yeah, and it is starting to rain. Light enough that I'm not putting on rain gear, so we'll see. It could be a mistake. Alright, as you can see, it did rain. I mean, it opened up right after that video I just shot, and the skies poured down. So I put all my rain gear on. It's letting up a little bit now. But yeah, heading into town. I have no idea how far at this point. Woohoo! Been walking on this trail for quite a while now. It winds through the towns of Troutville and Daleville, and it's kind of almost like a nice park. You can hear all the major roads crisscrossing around us and the traffic. But it's nice. So I'm still doing the debating thing about taking a 0 tomorrow. And it's been a long day. I'll have to figure out how long it's been when I get to the end. This was also the end of a far out app, my GPS app map. So the map is divided into segments and it ends right at Daleville. So I'll actually have to end my recording, the GPS recording of my hike, before I'm actually done, because that's where the map ends. You can start a new recording and then add them together, of course, which I might do. But yeah. But anyways, I am pretty beat. My feet are killing me. My back hurts, which is kind of bad. So yeah, might be good just to take a day off and lay around, recuperate. Even though I've only got 2 more days of hiking to do before I go home. I don't know. Those 2 more days of hiking would be much more enjoyable if I wasn't so tired. But I'll also look at weather and see what it's going to do. That'll probably be a bigger factor than anything. Because if I can delay a day and it'd be cooler, then that would be worth it. But if I delayed and then ended up hitting rain when I'm at McCaffey Knob, then I don't want to do that. So we'll see. All right, this is the Spark Rum. They do offer a hiker rate, but actually if you're a member of the Hilton Honors, you get a better rate. I think it was under 95 for the night, which is pretty good. It's got a nice restroom and me, and yeah, you get either a queen or a double queen, king or a double queen. Now I just can't quite figure out how to do the air conditioning. It says controlled by the wall thermostat, and I do not see a wall thermostat anywhere. What's your trail name?
Voodoo Ranger.
All right, and where did you start?
I started at Amicalola.
When?
February 22nd.
February 22nd. And how far are you going?
I am going probably to New York, where I live. I'm going to walk home because I'm too slow to get to Katahdin.
Major thoughts on doing the AT?
Oh, jeez.
Right?
It's a major goal. It's something that, to prove to myself that I can stick with it even when I'm really not capable.
And what's your trail name?
Hi, my name is Kermit.
Okay, Kermit. And where did you start?
I started at Amicalola,
At what? When?
and that was March 18th.
All right. And how far are you going?
I'm going to go to Harper's Ferry.